Hey guys, today I'm going to cook some chicken wings. Some in the toaster oven and some in the air fryer. We'll do a little comparison. So let's get toasting and air frying. I have a tray of chicken wings that I got for $1.99 a pound, so it was $9.99 for these 5 pounds of chicken wings. I haven't done them in a long time because normally they're like, around here they've been like $4.99 a pound, so it would have been like $25 for a tray of wings like this. It was crazy, but for some reason they've gone down in price a little bit. So what I'm going to do is separate them. I'm going to cook maybe like 3 of them in my air fryer right there, and then 3 of them in that cast iron skillet in my toaster oven, and we'll kind of compare them and see how they turn out. See if I can use these kitchen scissors to cut it in half here. It's hard to find the joint is the thing. Maybe a knife would be better. I'm having a little bit of trouble with that. So let's see here. I just think they cook a little bit better if you separate them. You can find the joint. That's the hard part. Okay. All right, there we go. So like I said, I'll cut 3 in half and do 3 in that pan in the toaster oven and 3 like that in the air fryer. I'm going to use 2 different seasonings on these. On those 3 there, I put kosher salt and Johnny's seasoned pepper on both sides of them. And on these, I'm going to use this Traeger pork and poultry rub, apple and honey. I used this on some barbecued chicken lately, and it's been good. So we'll see how it comes out on these air fryer ones. And then the ones that I cook in the toaster oven, I'm going to do the same thing, do half and half with the seasonings on those. Okay, do those ones in the pan now. These are going to go into my toaster oven. This is a 6-slice toaster oven, and this one has an air fry setting, which is 425 degrees Fahrenheit, I think. So I'm just going to put it on the air fry setting, and I'll keep an eye on those. And these are going into my air fryer. And I set that to 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 minutes. The air fryer shut off already, so this is what they look like. They've been resting in there for a few minutes, but those look really nice. Now we'll see what the toaster ovens ones look like. These toaster oven ones have been in there 25 minutes. Let's see how they look. They look good, but they're not browning up quite as much. Maybe I'll put some barbecue sauce on those. I think these are probably done. Let's see what the temperature is with my quick read thermometer here. 195. It only has to be 165 to be done, so they're done. But like I said, I'm going to try putting some barbecue sauce on these, and I'll just put them back in the oven for a minute or 2 and let that kind of warm up, caramelize a little bit. Now I'll put these back in the oven for a couple more minutes. I only did the top side. I didn't turn them over and do the bottom. So here's how they look. Those are the toaster oven ones there. These are the air fryer ones here. The front ones here have the Traeger rub. The ones in the back have the Johnny's seasoned pepper. So those ones have the Traeger rub. On that side I have the Johnny's seasoned pepper. I put the barbecue sauce on all of those. No barbecue sauce on these. So we'll kind of see how they turned out here. Those took about half an hour in the toaster oven. These took 12 minutes, and then they sat in the air fryer for a while and just kind of steamed in there while I was waiting for those to finish. So let's try a bite of one of these first. That one's good. Good flavor, and it's nice and juicy inside. Now I'll try this toaster oven drumette. Same rub, but with barbecue sauce. That one's real good too. Now I'll try one from the air fryer with the Johnny's seasoned pepper. I'll try a flat this time. That's real good too. I think the air fryer one's crisped up a little bit more. I think the skin's a little bit crispier. Now I'll try one of the wing flats with sauce and Johnny's seasoned pepper from the toaster oven. That's real good too. I mean, I like the ones with the Johnny's seasoned pepper and the sauce better than the ones with the barbecue rub and the sauce, just because there's more contrast. You get the pepper and the sweet rather than the sweet rub and the sweet sauce. So these are really good. I'll give Annie a little taste here, see if it's Annie approved. What do you think, Annie? There you go. I guess it's Annie approved. So the ones I cooked in the air fryer cooked faster, 12 minutes, and then I just let them sit in the air fryer and kind of steam and cool down while the ones in the toaster oven were finishing up. So, and I would say the ones in the air fryer, now that they cooked faster, they were a little crispier and the meat was a little more tender and juicy on the inside, where just a little bit more than the ones in the toaster oven, but the toaster ovens were really good too. So I'd do the ones in the toaster oven that way again. You know, if I didn't have an air fryer, it works either way, but I think I'd give the edge to the air fryer on that. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.